Hello, trading is closed on August 16th. The one call we had for yesterday was that 2464.11 would print, and that did print and it hit the low within 25 cents. I have a trading rule that if we gap up sharply in the undesired direction, it increases the odds this won't print within its preferred time frame, but it did. We had a scenario if we opened up and one if we opened down. We clearly opened up. We've hit a target for a few days. Here's your wall. Here's your hole in the wall, a gap. You wanted to overtake the high of the wall at this line, 2474.41, and find resistance there. And if you follow the line, that's where we got it, within about half a point. Now this is the same pattern here. Here's a wall, hole in the wall gap. What you like to do is go under, is to go past the extreme of the wall and then find support or resistance. It's actually a very useful pattern, I think. MEJT today says ultimately higher prices will print. Says this move is false. Targets 2471.97, and a standard pattern says it'll print most likely tomorrow. I'm a bit leery this one might not work. I'm going to list it, but the 16th is my change in trend date. I would like today's high to hold. The next dates I have coming up are the 19th and the 25th. This is a market which gapped up, hit new highs. The close was under the morning low. It was also, in spite of gapping up 3 days in a row, we weren't able to close over the high of the first day of this gapping up 3 days straight. 3 days gaps in one direction usually is all you get, and when you get them and you can't make any progress, it's usually a sign of the trend being over. This really isn't healthy when you gap up and close under this. It's a negative pattern. Lower prices should print. It would be invalidated if we gapped up and promptly took out this high. Tomorrow's pattern typically has a low early and a high late. More often than not, it tends to rally throughout the day. And if we are going to get the drop that I think we'll get, it usually comes early, like in the first hour of trading. So tomorrow's open has the bulls on the ropes. We have to go up and promptly overtake this high. If that doesn't happen, we should see lower prices. And that's today's call.